Friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys font size setting guys. How can you customize according to yourself guys? You want to use guys your font size setting guys. You want to set into medium, default, large size. So how can you set means how can you use your font size setting in your Samsung mobile? Today I will show you in this video guys. So first of all guys we will on our phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys scroll it. Friends you can see guys display and brightness setting guys tap here. Then guys again scroll. Friends you can see your font size and style setting guys tap here. Friends you can see your font size setting. So friends you want to customize according to like this small, medium, and friends you can use from here guys your font size setting. As you can see small, default and medium size, so you can use from here guys. As you can see your font size will small, medium size like that guys. You can customize according to yourself guys. So like that guys you can customize your font size setting in your Samsung phone like that. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye friends.